Kim Kardashian's latest Instagram post has Taylor Swift fans smelling a rat. The Keeping Up with the Kardashians star appeared to post an innocent throwback image of herself taking a photograph of naked wax figures, including that of rapper husband Kanye West and Taylor Swift at Kanye's famous exhibit in 2016. Kim K captioned the photograph, "Famous." But this evoked the wrath of scary Taylor Swift fans, who made themselves known by flooding Kim's Instagram with rat emojis meant to represent the star. Others pointed out that snakes eat rats. It's not just the controversial naked look-alike of Taylor which features in Kanye's music video for Famous, which has upset fans. There's that line about the singer in the song where Kanye raps, "I feel like me and Taylor might still have sex. I made that bitch famous," which of course led to Taylor and Kim's massive public feud. Taylor maintains that she didn't know Kanye was writing the derogatory lyric about her, before Kim defended Kanye by posting a video of Taylor and the rapper discussing the line in the hit song, along with the snake emoji. Taylor then turned the snake emoji into a symbol for her latest album Reputation, and the Kim appeared to retaliate by blocking the snake emoji from her social media feed. It's believed Taylor references Kim K in her track "This Is Why We Can't Have Nice Things," in which she sings, "It was so nice being friends again. There I was giving you a second chance, but you stabbed me in the back while shaking my hand. Maybe time to block the rat emoji too."